Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about, can I eat eggs with gallstones? Yes, you can consume eggs in moderation if you have gallstones, but it is important to be mindful of your dietary choices. Eggs are a good source of protein, but they are also high in cholesterol, which can contribute to the formation of gallstones. Individuals with gallstones are often advised to follow a diet that is low in fat and high in fiber. This can help reduce the risk of gallstone formation and alleviate symptoms. While eggs are not strictly prohibited, it is recommended to limit their consumption and focus on plant-based sources of protein such as beans, lentils, and tofu. It is also important to maintain a healthy weight and avoid rapid weight loss, as this can increase the risk of gallstone formation. Additionally, it is recommended to eat regular meals and avoid fasting, as this can reduce gallbladder emptying and increase the risk of stones forming. In terms of other dietary recommendations, it is generally advised to limit the consumption of red meat, processed meats, and high-fat dairy products, as these can also contribute to the development of gallstones. Instead, focus on consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It is important to note that the dietary recommendations for individuals with gallstones may vary depending on the severity of their condition and the presence of any underlying medical conditions. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional, such as a registered dietitian or a gastroenterologist, to develop a personalized dietary plan that meets your specific needs. In summary, while you can consume eggs in moderation if you have gallstones, it is important to focus on an overall healthy, low-fat, high-fiber diet to manage your condition and reduce the risk of further complications. For more information, please go to the description. There is a lot of important information for you. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.